Hey guys, so I've hit a roadblock here, and in my last video I showed how I was able to integrate with AWS SES to be able to send emails and basically replacing FormsFree, which is like a paid version, paid software. AWS SES would be practically free for me, but the issue was that we have to move from sandbox dev environment to production. And when I submitted the request, it got denied, which sucked. I sent them this email, and I think I am to be partially blamed, maybe fully blamed, because I did not explain my use case properly, and I may have rushed this reply here because in my last video, I wanted to get it done in an hour, and that was my challenge. I even said it in my video, and I did not really think through what I wrote down or what ChatGPT wrote down for me. So in this here case, inshallah, I'm gonna be better and reply carefully. And so far, I'm not the only one. Apparently, a lot of people on Reddit, as I can see, got rejected as well, which is quite unfortunate. It's a roadblock for me, but it's not a deal breaker in the sense that, alhamdulillah, there are other services like SendGrid and Mailchimp and whatnot that allows me to do the same thing that I'm trying to do here. But the problem only is that I don't want to rely on another service, right? If I can have it done in one place, then that's awesome, right? Why introduce a third service and a fourth service when AWS has it all? So this is my reply. I may not have been clear in my previous messages, so let me clarify again, please. So let me clarify. I'm requesting production access to send transaction emails from no reply. 2 is this 2 verified recipients, which are owners on my client's website, right? Or secure or myself. These emails are generated solely from when someone submits a contact or support form on the client's website. Notifying the website's owner of a new submission, which is true. No email is sent to external users, and no marketing promotion event is sold. The volume is low. Initially, each recipient is verified, and we actively monitor. So I think I can include the website just as an example. Right? Oh, security contact page. For example, if someone submits a form ad, my client, right, so he will receive an email address. Include my own as well, Omnitryx. Likewise, if someone wants any of my services or wish to contact me, they can submit the form and I will receive a notification at the email address and contact at Omnitryx.ca. This is good. If someone wishes, any of my services wishes to contact me, they can submit a form ad and I will receive notification at the email address. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Sounds good. Everything is clear. Everything is the truth. So hopefully this works. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully tomorrow they get back to me and they approve my case. SES is powerful. The AWS is powerful. So I really hope it works out. Let's see what happens. Bismillah. Just before going to bed last night, I got an email from AWS and it was not good news. So continuation of what happened with my production access to SES, they sent me this email, this case note, despite providing additional information about what my use case actually is, which I think is just a simple use case. They said they're still unable to grant my request. We made this decision because we believe that your use case would impact the deliverability of our service and would affect your reputation as a sender. We also want to ensure that other Amazon SES users can continue to use the service without experiencing service interruptions. We appreciate your understanding in this matter. It's kind of disappointing. It's not like I was going to abuse the system. It was just a simple contact form, a basic notification, basically. It was, you get a notification every time there was a submission. You get an email, and then you can use that email to reply to the user with your own email address. So Amazon is not included. Amazon is only notifying me and my clients, the Oak Security, which is sad. I think it also shows this is where the entrepreneurship comes in, right? Because not everything is going to go your way. Things will go sideways, and then gotta fix the problems as they come along. So Alhamdulillah, even if they reject it, they're not the only solution provider. There are others, like I mentioned, Twilio, SendGrid, Mailchimp, among others. And maybe this might be a next video where I can integrate with those services, or maybe perhaps I just build my own solution for free. Let's see. But it is what it is. There are ups and downs in having a business. Things don't always go your way, and you still have to keep moving. Hopefully, this is a motivation for you as well, that no matter what, don't give up. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video.